Hi everyone, so I got this blow dryer, dog blow dryer. Let's see how it works. Just showered Marley. Say hi, Marley. Okay, never mind. Let's see. Nope. Scooped her out a little bit. Let's see. She has a lot of loose hair from the shower. Sucking up the hair for sure. She has a lot of gray hair. She's old. She's getting old. Oh, sorry. My bad. My bad. So let's do under your neck. Do under your neck. Wait. Calm down, girl. We're doing a blow dry for your hair. Getting your hair done. Getting your hair done. Good job. Picking up hair for sure. She's not fond of the noise though, but she's cooperating. Good. Good job. Nice and smooth. My hair's drying up. Still a little damp. Bad. Wait. To your belly. To your belly. Ooh. Not bad. Sit. Sit. Good girl. Not bad at all. Say hi. Hi. Look how much it picked up. Pretty good. Picked up quite a few gunk of hair. Not bad.